Venus. 5 surprising facts that will delight you. The modern space agenda focuses on the Moon and Mars, but Venus was once thought to be the most suitable for life. This is due to the fact that the planets formed at approximately the same time and have similar sizes, masses, and attractions. Here are 5 interesting facts about Venus that they won't tell you in school. Life on Venus. Some scientists suggest that life could have originated first on Venus and then moved to Earth. Moreover, some of them believe that thermosid extremophile microorganisms still exist high in the atmosphere of Venus. Closest neighbor. Even though Venus is Earth's neighbor, most of the time it is further away from Earth than Mercury. However, at the moment of its closest approach, Venus becomes the closest planet in the solar system to us. The distance to it is 38 million kilometers, which is approximately equal to 2.2 of a light minute. For comparison, the minimum distance to Mars is 55,760,000 kilometers, or about 3 light minutes. Venus and Earth approach at a minimum distance every 584 days, and Mars and Earth every 16 years. Hottest planet. Even though Venus is the second planet from the Sun, it is hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. The temperature on the entire surface of Venus is constant and is about 462 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature on Mercury at noon reaches 427 degrees Celsius, and at night drops to minus 170 degrees Celsius. Such heat on Venus is due to the fact that its atmosphere is 97% carbon dioxide, and it often rains concentrated sulfuric acid. Venus is a large greenhouse. The sun heats the planet, but carbon dioxide does not release the heat back into space. Clouds you can walk on. Due to its high reflectivity, Venus is visible from Earth with the naked eye either just after sunset or just before dawn. It has an even white light. The surface of Venus cannot be seen even with the most powerful telescope, since it is always hidden by an impenetrable layer of clouds. This layer of clouds is so dense that the pressure on the surface of Venus is approximately 100 atmospheres. At an altitude of about 60 kilometers above the surface, there is a cloud layer about 10 kilometers thick, on which a person could walk without falling through. The temperature at this altitude will be only minus 25 degrees Celsius. That is like winter in Russia. A spacesuit is not needed. An oxygen mask is enough. Venus in blue-white flowers. Although it is commonly believed that Venus is a yellow-orange planet, it actually appears in blue and white colors. This is because photographs of Venus are often taken using ultraviolet wavelengths and then processed on a computer to detect features. Slow Venus. Venus rotates very slowly around its axis, so a day on it lasts longer than a year. One Venusian year lasts 225 days, and one Venusian day lasts 243 Earth days. The concept of seasons does not exist on Venus, since the temperature is always the same. Venus is the roundest object in the solar system after the Sun because it is practically not flattened at the poles. It also has the most circular orbit of any planet and rotates in the opposite direction from Earth. Due to its slowness, Venus has a very weak magnetosphere, and its magnetic poles are practically absent.